Hello, everyone. It's Phantom Knight with Wildfires. We're going to be continuing off in Shaded Citadels for Season 3.
Today, we're going to be going through like the bottom part of Shaded Citadel, and then we're going to cross Memory Crypts, which is still part of Shaded Citadel, but it's just a sub-region. Which
Yeah.
the only thing we should be worrying about is you can try eating that, but it's not going to be a lot. I will try not to bite you.
Yeah, because I'm not trying to die.
Yeah, I don't want you to die. If you die every time, okay, I'm gonna do my best to coach you through this.
Okay, yeah. Coach me.
Okay, you need to be in front because you have a camera. Okay, okay, okay. There's that down there, which we don't need to worry about.
Uh, go down?
Yeah, we go down.
Oh, right, about that.
Uh,
So, well, I didn't know that
is it
that
hostile?
blanket. So, suckers for the bed. What I didn't know was that he was Tennessee State
So we
Lincoln
go back.
Adult Division. So I just bet. And you turn out to be the son. Oh, I was. But that's my number is track. On my
Okay.
Okay.
No!
Hurry back, hurry back.
This always happens. When I leave it early, it sends me back.
So you're saying we'll counter the Miro vultures or whatever
The
they're called?
Miros birds, okay. Be careful, be careful.
Really needs.
If you can do the jump in YB and like just hold up. You did it! Oh my gosh, you're goaded. Okay. Okay.
There.
Down.
I got nothing.
That's how we do it.
Yeah, I don't trust myself.
No! Okay, we would probably been dead anyway. There was a Miros vulture coming down.
Wait, really?
Yeah. There was a Miros vulture.
How deadly are the Miro's vultures?
I hope you don't want to ask. You do not want to encounter these things. That's
Do you want me to remain laying down?
oh my gosh, I almost
Almost forgot about me.
just bit.
I was, wait,
Egg bug.
Men always have tells. Yeah.
Oh my god. Oh my god. I don't know how you guys care from that.
they come out of bloody nowhere. What do you mean? How did I get scared?
Okay. It's fine. It's fine. Okay.
I'm not even gonna try to reattempt that jump. Oh my,
Ooh, hilarious camfrey.
I swear, it scared me. It made me mad enough to the point I became Scottish.
My goodness. I almost just sold that. Okay.
You better
Tell
not,
me.
you, what?
Hit plus.
Careful.
Yeah, if we're going the right way.
Okay, so now we just gotta
Continue.
Okay, but still, what does a Miros vulture look like? I have not seen it.
Just tell you, you don't want to know.
Now you're making me curious.
So should hook. Oh my gosh.
Wait, what was that?
Okay, we dropped down. Where did I drop that? We go. We go. Okay, don't get scared. I know what's here. Okay.
Wait,
Okay. What can we get? What can we get? We can get this. Ooh, good idea.
wait, what are you making?
Never mind, I already have.
Wait,
I have a bomb that I ate. So
wait, is it coming for us?
now,
Wait,
okay, I need to pick you back up again.
wait, did we kill it?
Go, go,
Just made a
where'd it
drop.
go?
Wait, did we kill it? Or is it already dead?
I'm the. Okay, it's not dead.
So, what are all the ways to kill it?
Spear. No! Okay, we don't have a spear. We're gonna have to try to find one before we get there.
Okay. There should, I mean, there's spears nearby that one area. Uh,
Spider.
why are we going after the spider?
Food. Egg bug! Hold up. Doesn't it seem satisfying to do that?
Yeah, it looks satisfying to in my. Wait, where am I? Oh, here I am. Need help?
He's dead. Okay, come here. Down.
Wait, are you sure that thing's dead?
Yeah, I just bit it and it died instantly.
We must.
But there's another one. They can revive each other. So.
Wait, really? Oh, great. And now it's after us.
Down B. Down. Do explosion. Down and Y B. Okay, go back. Go up, go up, go up.
No, wait.
Wait,
Fuck.
you have a spear. You have a spear. Go up.
Wait, fuck, no.
Okay. Wait, we're not dead. We're not dead. Keep going. Keep going.
Wait, why are you not fighting back?
I'm being dragged down. Do down explosion. Down explosion. Okay.
Help me!
Down explosion. Oh, I'm alive. I'm alive.
Wait, I'm stuck.
Okay, stop exploding. Stop exploding. Stop exploding. Run, 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 run if it comes up. Oh my.
Wait, it got me.
No! That was you! Oh my gosh.
Well, great.
Didn't want to do that.
Well, now we
Did
get
you
into.
drop a spear down here? Yeah, at least, like, even after I was gonna kill it, carry you. Because, even during this part is just bad on its side.
Yeah, at this point, the majority of the series is me just being dead.
It won't be. I'd say once we get to the wall, I probably let you do most of this stuff because
Like,
I trust you. Oh my god,
I was about to say, did you even see a Mirror's Vulture or something?
what are they doing for a sec?
Wait, we're gonna make an explosive spear?
I was about to say good idea, but I was like, I want to save the food.
Wait, we'd be risking food?
We use a food pick. Great. Ooh. Oh. Oh.
This is Copperhead. I'm where he's dead.
Wait, is he dead?
Your mama hated function.
Calm down.
To make people follow. Instructions 5 minutes out. I man like it.
Nice try.
And he followed us.
Few of you are looking at the rainbow gun at the game, so.
Wait, where's the spear?
Listen. Oh my gosh.
Yeah. You think?
Wait. Does that mean it could eat you? Fine. Because if you remember, Oh wait, no, it's not possible.
Yeah.
Alright.
We'll take like one shot with the spear.
It's 3-shot, but
Are you and Alice okay?
Karma flower. You think this would be useful?
Yeah.
I only have a karma flower for a karma that stays at this karma.
Wait, there's two.
We don't need to worry about one. So,
And it has to be this one?
yes. Let's go!
At
We're
least we're
home
not.
free.
Wait, really?
And then we got the Miros, which this went better than mine. I didn't have this much food in mine.
Where's that drop? No, wait, it's a centipede.
We are much more lethal to these things than
Then what Gormon and Survivor were?
yeah. If they electrocute us, we explode.
So
Okay, we're taking this hibernation anyway, so because oh my gosh, this chamber is dark.
yeah, I can't see shit.
Okay, so Phantom,
Yeah.
what we're about to run into, there will be Miros birds. If you see them, just hide under something.
Don't fight.
Yeah, I'm gonna carry you up to the point, where the entrance. We need to be fast, because the rain is. Oh my gosh, we need.
Uh, I can't see shit. I'm going down.
Okay. Hold right and then hold up.
Yeah, I can barely see anything.
Move, move, move. Okay, come here. Drop down. Look down.
Try not to bite me.
Press down again. Okay. Since now we found a way to actually carry each other, now this makes it easier. Oops.
Without us accidentally killing each other.
The chance of accidentally biting is still there, because who knows what'll happen? Okay.
Yeah, but I remember the Gormon series.
Okay, we're in memory crypts. You want to get off of me and you want to run with me?
How this is supposed to work.
Hold up.
Some things.
What should you do?
I'd like to suggest.
Follow. Go back. Go back. Go back.
Wait, go.
It's dead. Oh, wait, explosives.
Okay.
Okay, the dead one's right there. Oh my gosh, there's so many. Do you want me to carry you?
Yeah, carry me.
Speed this up.
But was that the mirrors you were talking about?
These are the Miros birds. They're creepy, right?
Yeah.
I accidentally threw you.
I was about to say, I'm not trying to die out here.
Okay.
Oh, they're coming back!
Okay, I'm gonna hold on to this.
You had your picture taken as security about 15 years ago.
Miros are so freaking annoying.
Okay, so do we have to go the way they're going?
We just go as far. We just the memory crypts. We just go. If it starts raining, that'd be bad.
Wait, how short is the cycle?
Pretty short. You wanna see?
Yeah.
Because we're Artificer, we get the explosive jump, and we're much faster than Survivor.
Yeah, they're coming.
But the Miros birds are gonna make it slower.
Yeah,
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we have 3 minutes.
and we gotta make it quick.
I don't know. It's a tough sector to invest in. There's a lot of smart people chasing this. Even versus it's really like an RV membership.
What's he waiting for?
One of the things
Can't reach us.
Excuse me.
Do I kill him? I missed.
Wait, no.
Give me controller. Give me controller.
Yeah, here you go.
Never mind.
I mean, there's a problem. You know where he is.
Oh my goodness. Okay.
Don't worry, I'll carry you to safety.
I'm surprised I sunk that. Okay. Okay. These guys are annoying.
Yeah, and we have to get to that hibernation chamber
We have
fast.
2 minutes. And there's so many Miros vultures there. We have 2 minutes.
Yeah. I swear, why is there so many of them? And incoming.
You can't get me. Keep going.
I swear, why do the Miros walk like that?
I know.
Why is it coming for us?
Please tell me we're getting close. We haven't even made it to the cave.
We need my cave.
Nothing. Right here. This is what I call the cave, because
And there's centipedes. Right. I swear, I hate those centipedes with every inch of my life.
after the Gourmand, seriously. Yeah, that centipede's probably dead.
I hate the centipedes from both Gourmand and Survivor. Wait, do we have to go up?
Just know I am a speedrunner.
That's why I'm kind of glad to have you come along this channel, because I know I'd be dead by now. Uh-oh.
I've had worse.
Come on.
Let's go. Okay, we have a better chance at making this than what I did. See, look. It's on its last. Okay, in the leg, it doesn't technically rain, but it does.
What do you mean?
It's still partial rain. I can't really explain the rain here.
So are we still safe?
Yes, there is a hibernation out right here.
And we just gotta do a little jumping.
Glad you didn't do this.
Okay.
I don't even know how much you're gonna be able to do, to be honest.
I think it's just safe to say to let you carry me for episode 3 of season 3.
I mean, like,
But for now, let's end the video off here. So I hope to see you all next time. Bye.